Here are 5 things you need to do in order for your makeup to be flawless. And take this from a fashion designer that is passionate about makeup and also work with makeup artists and learn from all the people that I've met that are professionals in the field. First step, and it's a very important step, it's to clean your canvas, okay? I usually wash my face with Dove soap bar. No, I'm not sponsored in any way, it's not an ad, nothing at all, but this is the only soap bar that I would wash my face with because it doesn't dehydrate my skin. You can also use a toner in order to clean your face. That's what makeup artists clean your face with when you go for a session, so you can use that instead. Second step is to have a primer, but I do this only because I have oily skin and it works for me. If you have normal or dry skin, use a moisturizer before you use the primer. It's important to hydrate your skin. I have oily skin and for me it would be too much. Let's prep my skin and put on the primer. Using an eyeshadow base I use from Douglas, okay? Either a creamy eyeshadow base or a concealer or even primer. You can use primer for your eyeshadow base in order for the eyeshadow to stuck and be there and just not move and create a flawless makeup. And on top of the primer you will put on the foundation, and of course on top of the eyeshadow base you will put the eyeshadow. The fourth trick, which is one of the most important steps, is to bake your face with setting powder. This setting powder is from Sephora, okay? On this part I have baked it and on this one I don't, and I will show you in real time how much of a difference it makes. So let's take the powder on a brush, used only for powder, okay, for this powder, and bake it. And see, I have oily skin and this also helps with that because it makes it less oily. It doesn't look like I've drained my face in oils and sweat, okay? So this is one of the most important steps for a flawless makeup. And the last step, fixing spray. I use it from Urban Decay. This is what I use usually, but you need to shake it. I didn't know that I have to shake it like this in order for me to be able to use it and not to have my face sticky. So, okay, read the instructions. Don't be like me, read it, okay? And now let it dry. When you have an eyeliner on, it doesn't matter what kind of eyeliner, it doesn't matter if it's colored like mine or just black. To make the eyeliner more resilient throughout the day and to not smudge, especially in the crease of the eyelids, you just put on a powder. It can be a shimmer, it can be matte, it can be a color if you want to. For the situations in which I want the eyeliner to be seen and not anything else to distract from that, I just use a shimmer that is the color of my skin and I put it right there, so any oil, anything that could smudge my eyeliner, it's absorbed by the powder. This trick will make your eyeliner last the entire day. It's very easy. It takes you less than a minute to apply any type of eyeshadow to make your eyeliner more resilient, flawless, and to last longer throughout the day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Let me know in the comments below which one of these lessons was most useful and interesting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.